According to projections made by analysts at Wells Fargo, the dollar will begin to give up a significant portion of its gains in the year 2023 as a direct result of the United States economy entering a recession and the Federal Reserve being obliged to lower interest rates. Today in this video, we are going to discuss, will the dollar become worthless? However, before we begin our video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Investors from countries with lower rates have been drawn back to the United States because of the Federal Reserve's more aggressive approach to increasing interest rates than other central banks have taken. Because of this, the value of $1 throughout this year has climbed substantially. The US dollar, which is regarded as an asset that can be used as a haven in times of economic uncertainty, has increased due to the widespread concerns surrounding the status of the global economy. Economists from Wells Fargo issued a message to their clientele highlighting the firm's forecast that the dollar's value will continue to rise through the calendar year 2022. The Federal Reserve raised interest rates in September for the third month in a row, increasing them by a total of 75 basis points. This action contributed to a further increase in the value of the US dollar. Despite this, they believe that the dollar could reach its all-time high during the fourth quarter before beginning a period of cyclical fall in comparison to other global currencies. According to the forecast provided by Wells Fargo, the United States will start a period of economic contraction sometime around the beginning of 2023 as the effects of rising inflation and interest rates catch up with the country's economy. The Federal Reserve has anticipated that a significant slowdown in economic activity will cause the Fed to wind down its tightening of monetary policy and begin decreasing interest rates again around the end of the year. This is because the Fed believes that a substantial slowdown in economic activity will cause inflation to rise. The bank's economists, led by Nick Benbrook, indicated that they anticipate a downward trend in the value of the United States dollar over the course of 2023. As those rate reductions are announced, priced, and implemented, the economists added, they anticipate that the gulf that currently exists between the level of interest rates in the United States and those in other countries will begin to shrink as the Fed begins to pull back. With interest rate differentials swinging back in favor of foreign currencies next year, the value of the greenback should enter a period of cyclical decline against most G10 currencies as well as certain emerging currencies, they said. The greenback should enter a period of cyclical decline against most G10 currencies and certain emerging currencies. Currently, $1 is worth $0.995, but Wells Fargo predicted that within the following year, its value may reach as high as $0.96. This was based on their economic projections. It was anticipated that the value of the euro, the world's second most traded currency, would fall to a low of $0.96. On the other hand, the anticipated reduction in the worth of the US dollar should make it easier for the euro to achieve a value of $1.02 by the end of the year 2023. As a result of the Federal Reserve's decision to raise interest rates at the most rapid pace seen since the 1980s, the dollar index has increased by more than 13% so far. When there is an increase in the dollar value, there is a corresponding decrease in the cost of commodities imported into the United States. This contributes to the maintenance of an appropriate level of inflation. On the other hand, this decreases the value of the earnings that American corporations make from their activities in other nations. In addition, it creates further strain on other countries by reducing the value of their currencies and making it more difficult for them to pay back their obligations denominated in dollars, both of which drive up the cost of servicing these debts. So that's it for today, guys. We hope you found our video fascinating. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. Remember to turn on the notification bell to see all our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.